Get ready. Use the workbook from the previous exercise. Click the Line Chart tab and choose the Format tab. In the correct selection group, click the arrow in the Chart Elements selection box and click Chart Area. The Chart Area section on the chart becomes active. Click the Move arrow in the in the Shape Styles group. The Shape Styles gallery opens. Scroll through the outline styles to locate color outline, blue accent 1 as shown. In the Shape Styles group, open the dialog box and click the border arrow to expand a section. Click the width up arrow until you get 2.5. Now you can see that the chart is outlined with a light blue border. Click the Copy Espresso line. In the color drop down under the line, choose red. Save your workbook.